Hello traders, welcome again to the Forex Boat Trading Academy and yet another analysis, this time for the Litecoin versus the dollar. This is the second analysis for the cryptocurrency pair. Another one we had on the Ethereum, and today this will be complemented by the Litecoin. So let's get started and see what is happening with the Litecoin. All in all, price started to move higher. Basically higher highs and higher lows are being produced, and price is above both 250 exponential moving averages. Besides, today we had the rejection of the 200 period exponential moving average, which might be the bottom for this correction. As you can see, this could have been an ABC corrective move to the downside based on the Elliott wave theory, and this could be the first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and perhaps we will see the final wave to the upside, but of course as long as this support holds. In regards to the support, this support has previously acted here as the demand zone, obviously, supply, and could be the demand zone right now from this point onwards, as long as it holds, obviously. In terms of how far price could be going, I have used this Fibs applied to the last wave to the upside when Litecoin topped out at $68.8, and it shows me that there is a resistance at 38.2% Fibs, which is $62.1. If we just use the channel instead of the trend line, we will be able to see that the price broke above the channel, which also suggesting further bullish momentum for the Litecoin. So here we go. If this support holds with no 4-hour break and close below this price area, which is $51, actually 51 I think should be the key, but maybe even 50, slightly lower, I think it's better because it's psychological level. So we will just put another line here, which was the resistance at this point, and we need to hold basically this support area, and price must stay above the $50 in order to continue rising. Moving to the lower time frame, we will see that here the support trend line is holding, and if we look at the downtrend trend line, well, it has been broken. So this goes to show that there is certainly a potential for this upside move, and Elliott wave theory supports that. Besides, we had the long-term uptrend. If we zoom it out, I will show you again, higher highs and higher lows are being printed, and this could be not the end of this move. If there will be a breakout, price could be continuing to move further to the upside, because this could be wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe like that. So could be a big move to the upside on the Litecoin, but for now it looks like the demand zone has been tested, and clearly buyers would be interested in this price area. So we're done with the Litecoin. Let's quickly go to all our previously made analysis, starting off with the Ethereum. On the Ethereum, we are holding this support, and here also we expect this wave to the upside, which could be starting any moment now. Maybe there will be retesting. Oh, actually we had this retest today. Look, there was a clean rejection of the uptrend trend line. So maybe this is the time for the Ethereum to start moving up along Litecoin and multiple other cryptocurrencies perhaps, who knows, but the Bitcoin looks very, very bullish. So quick run up through other forecasts. This was on the Australian dollar, moving up quite nicely. Euro pound, here another spike to the downside. Will be important that it will be respected, this support level, especially the daily closing price, but I think this market is tricky, and from this point onwards there will be something like that. There will be extremely fast growth, I think, but we will see if this holds or not, this daily time frame, what will be happening on the closing price. Canadian Swiss franc, rejection of this resistance, very nice, along with the average price downtrend trend line, rejected here on the daily time frame. It was a spike, so as long as we hold this resistance, it's a downtrend. The Euro Swiss franc looks bearish. It's also spiked out, but looks like we will continue going down. Pound Swiss franc, well, very tricky. We had this spike above, but as long as daily closing price remains below, it still is very bearish in my view. So we should see move to the downside quite fast, quite strong, similar to probably like we will have on the euro pound. Pound Australian dollar steadily going down as expected towards the support, could be tested tomorrow even, considering that it's pretty fast one. Pound New Zealand dollar, it's sluggish, but still slowly declining, nothing major. Gold, it continues to rise, and maybe considering that the USA elections today, there will be something major, some big moves, who knows, but looks very bullish. Silver, same, we should be breaking this resistance currently, which is supported by the moving average, but as long as it holds, there could be consolidation, but upon the breakout could be a fast move to the upside. S&P, I think, was talking about this resistance that could be tested. I think this is the time now for the price to go down. This is the resistance, previous resistance was here, now yet again should be acting resistance, and I think we will see fast move from this price, but maybe there will be spikes above, maybe retest of 3,440, maybe, but it looks like this should be the downside move. And we're left with the Swiss franc, Japanese yen, the analysis of yesterday. So here we had the correction, retest of the trend line, and now I think this will be a fast move to the upside towards the resistance. Nothing major, but slowly and steadily rising. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed it, smash this like, comment in the section below, smash that subscribe button not to miss any of the future videos. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care and enjoy the evening.